Welcome to how to join the Google Classroom. Uh, in order to be part of the Google Classroom, you need to make sure that you have an active Gmail account. The first step in this process is to make sure that you go to google.com, and up here in the upper right hand corner that you are either logged in with your Google account or that you log in with the Google account that you are going to use, the Gmail account that you are going to use in order to join the classroom. Only Gmails can be used to join the Google Classroom. Now, I'm going to make sure that I practice joining the Google Classroom from the student view. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to switch my accounts. And I'm going to make sure I choose the one that I'm going to use to log in and add myself to the Google Classroom. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the waffle. That is what I call this 9-digit little square right here. And I'm going to click on the waffle and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find this icon that says classroom and I'm going to click on it. Then in order to add myself to the classroom, I'm going to go up again to the upper right hand corner and I'm going to click the plus sign that says create or join a class. I am going to join a class. I am not creating a new class. So I'm going to click join class. And then I'm going to enter in the class code. The class code for this training is C6XDMSZ. And then once that is entered up here, this will turn blue and you'll be allowed to hit join. What's really nice too is now Google is having you verify that you're using the correct account as for the class that you want to attend. So then you hit join up in this upper right hand corner. And once you are part of the classroom, your screen will switch to the classroom view, okay, that you are able to look at. This is the name of our classroom for this training, Supporting Distance Learning 101. And this is going to be really a resource for all of us as we support not only our student teachers, okay, but maybe even the cooperating teachers in the classroom as well. There's a couple of features that we'd like to point out to you. First is the stream. I want you to think of, and that's the automatic place that it takes you when you log into the Google Classroom, is the stream is kind of like a Facebook stream, and this will include every single announcement or thing that's being done within the Google Classroom. Anytime something is posted, an assignment or an announcement, it'll show up here in the stream. The next is the classwork tab. As you work through anything in Classroom, this is really the good tab for you to click on in order for you to find what you're looking for. So if I click on this, and right now there is no classwork in here, and there will be, things will be organized by topic, and then you'll be allowed to join it. Okay, but really identifying and knowing where to find and switch between the stream, which again is like kind of like a Facebook or an Instagram stream, and classwork, which is where you will find assignments and other resources for you to be able to use. Some other interesting pieces of the Google Classroom is there's a people tab where you can see teachers. And you also will be able to see fellow students who are in the classroom once they have joined. Okay. And then going back to this classwork tab, as a student, you are able to see your work, everything that you need to do, including grades and whatnot. So this is something that a lot of teachers direct their students to. You can see a Google Calendar of when things are due, okay? And you can have a folder of all these drives, a drive folder of all the assignments and materials that have been uploaded into the Google Classroom. Okay, in order to get back to the home screen of the classroom, you can hit stream. If you have other classrooms that you are a member of, if you've used Google Classroom before, if you hit the 3 pancakes in the upper right hand or upper left hand corner, you click on this, it'll show other classes that you are enrolled in. Okay, and then if you click this off of it, then it'll go away. In order to get back to your home screen of Google, you can click the waffle again. Okay, you can go to Google search and it'll open a new tab for you to be able to search. Okay, and best of luck, and I look forward to seeing all of you in the Google Classroom.